down right next to my camper. This is fucking crazy.
Alright, going back up.
Holy fuck. First for me right here. This is fucking awesome. You want to go back up on top of the camper?
Yeah.
It is coming down, dude. I'm almost wondering we should get Nathan and get the fuck out of here.
Probably should. But is going that way.
Call Nathan. You got your phone?
No, I don't.
Here, I got the company phone. Oh my god.